It Tenzin Donald Trump la an thing case QCG tak chu che de che me kan la risha digil ne zu khar thyo na na string sam ju dijik senandola. Donald Trump has assailed a judge and clerk handling his New York fraud trial as a gag order banning him from criticizing court personnel was passed. Jabrin burashtu samrangan zu di thumbu ni le ya ye je thumbu thangbu de jik zero na la. Donald Trump korang ke har nam na has assailed. Assail shebetsik di yanjmen geje tone pojo khadung dang ba yanjmen lubu pargui chepsu gorila.
Scanning assailants. Multiple assailants, no witnesses.
Sulia de chebresna a judge sudizamba chimbu tene clerk shebetsik di songa logi clerk ina muji yemye sorila.
Bus drivers, grocery clerks.
Logi clerks do yang ki lemi kajelia sorila.
You didn't shout at the bank clerk, did you?
Chimse sori.
Currently clerks for Judge Wallace.
Illinois Supreme Court Justice Wallace.
Yes, Illinois Supreme Court Justice.
Donald Trump lage chimbun ta chimse chongyilia kadong dangsha. Kunanilia kadong daya gimja karinasna handling his New York fraud trial. Handle sudu takju chedeba. His koranki New York chongki fraud trial sudu zamba ani gogorio truki kyushi del swari. Donald Trump koranki kyushi jo marvel wadi takju chegengi chimbun ta chongyilia korange kadong dangsha swari. As a gag order was passed, gags do to you deminalolia kunzu kenalo yangyagi the regime do well what gags wori nangdo karchungores geje shema chobe nangdo istungorwal sisa gag orders to that him kashi stun sauri kadambe kadirwal sisa gag orders to zamba kakya tami geje shema chobe kajimba.
No, we don't. Right, because of the gag order.
Well, the judge rejected the gag orders.
The karchebresna was passed zamba 참샤바 sisa Donald Trump lalia geje shema chobe kakyaji yorita tirin kesu kakyadi 참샤자 amara kugabdi thamsi cheje chimbönda chongyilia kadong dangsha. Wala so tanda de nyanto so rish du zamba jeje gyaptang khase takta de mebe no shchol andelia sese shuaji geje shema chobe kakya marila geje nangdo khase jirwal mix karje shema chobe kakya tendre jirisha an nyangni nangdo khare inasna shamlia mudune jeje shulele. Banning him from criticizing court personnel. Ban somebody from doing something. Criticize court personnel. Court personnel stu lemi le su yore la da legung ji lemi yonglia personnel sia yore sisa chimgang gi lemi lia gyönjö checho mebdi ani kakye di nangtön ri sha la ta kakye di chamsha za an khorang sine chimbön da chongyi lia khadong da ya gi khugap di chongsha su yore la so an tiring gi le zen de ne ju de so I'm going to leave all the new words here. Yes, here.